Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Audria with name 632400066 from class 632A01. My purpose in making this video is to convey information about the diversity of Indonesian cuisine. From the theme of diversity of Indonesian cuisine, my speech entitled Favorite Seblak from West Java.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I thank God for giving the health and time to share knowledge on this historic day, the Day of National Education. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is a big country, inhabited by hundreds of millions of people, including islands spread widely. One of the larger islands in Indonesia is Java. Java is divided into several provinces, namely Banten, DKI Jakarta, Special Region of Yogyakarta, West Java, Central Java, and East Java. Speaking of province here, I will discuss one of the province, namely West Java. Do you know that West Java province is famous for its special foods, especially the many snacks that we can find everywhere? Example of typical food are karedok, sate marangi, lotek, soto Bandung, empal gentong, and laksa Bogor. Well, those are typical foods from West Java. There are many, right? In addition to the foods mentioned earlier, there are also snacks that are popular among teenagers, namely seblak, cimol, tofu sumedang, cireng. From the snack mentioned, is there one of your favorite snack? Most teenagers most like seblak, which is known for its savory and spicy taste. Seblak is one of the typical Sundanese foods, especially Bandung, which is now popular among the wider community. The food that is identical to the savory, spicy taste with conjured spices can now be easily found and made. Lately, even seblak has been modified in its filling or topping. Now, it is common to see seblak dishes filled with crackers, eggs, siomay, chicken feet, cilok, and even meatballs. There are even those who add various fish meatballs to vegetables that are usually the filling for steamboat or suki. Without realizing it, we are talking about seblak. It's the end of the sentence that I can convey. More or less, I apologize if there are any wrong words spoken. And for your attention, I express my deepest gratitude. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Audria with name 632400066. So, according to the title, the topic of discussion this time is comparison. First of all, what is degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison, one of the rules in English grammar that functions as a comparison between objects. Each form can be an adjective or an adverb. Type degrees of comparison: 1. Positive degree, 2. comparative degree. 3. Superlative degree. The first, positive degree. What is positive degree? Positive degree indicates no comparison. This degree only tells the quality of a subject or noun. Even if used in comparison, positive degrees can only be used in a equal comparison using the phrase as, dictative as. Consider the following examples. 1. You need to be as smart as Nadia in order to beat her in their test. 2. She is as tall as her sister. 3. He drives as carefully as my father in the residential area. Second, comparative degree. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree is used in sentence to compare two things. If you use an adjective, then you can add the ending er or ler, depending on which letter the adjective ends with. You can also use the word more or less, but if you use an adverb, you just add the word more or less before the adverb. In Indonesian, comparative degree mean more. Take a look at the example sentence. 1. Compared to chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream is cheaper. 2. Maddie look happier than Nora. 3. You have to drive less slowly to catch the flight. Take comparative degree. 1. House. Type of comparative degree. 1 syllable atau satu suku kata. Examples house. 2 or syllables atau dua suku kata atau lebih. Example handsome. Irregular form atau bentuk kata tidak beraturan. Examples bad. 1 syllable biasanya ditambahkan sufiks atau akhiran er. Biasanya terjadi double huruf konsonan di ujung kata. Pola ujung huruf yaitu konsonan, vokal, konsonan. Example, adjective, fast, big, old. Comparative, faster, bigger, older. 1 syllable, example, 1. Train is faster than bus. 2. My father is older than my mom. 2 or more syllable biasanya ditambahkan kata more di depannya. Adjective, beautiful, delicious, comfortable. Comparative, more beautiful, more delicious, more comfortable. 2 or more syllable example. 1. My sister is more beautiful than me. 2. Fried chicken is more delicious than fried rice. Irregular form. Adjective, good, bad, little. Comparative, better, worse, less. The example, my math score is better than my English score. And third, superlative degree. What is superlative degree? The comparison used by the superlative degree in a sentence functions to compare 3 or more things in the context of the sentence. You can add the suffix s or less, or the word most and or least to the adjective. Example, my height is the tallest in my friend. Type of superlative degree, one syllable atau satu suku kata. Example, rich. Two or more syllable atau dua suku kata atau lebih. Example, diligence. Irregular form, bentuk kata tidak beraturan. Example, title. One syllable, biasanya ditambahkan suffix atau akhiran s. Biasanya terjadi double huruf konsonan di ujung kata. Pola ujung huruf yaitu konsonan, vokal, konsonan. Adjective, tall, slow, rich. Comparative, the tallest, the slowest, the richest. Two or more syllable, ditambahkan kata most di depannya. Adjective, beautiful, delicious, quickly. Comparative, the most beautiful, the most delicious, the most quickly. Irregular form, example, adjective, good, bad, little. Comparative, best, worse, less. Thank you for your attention. That concludes my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.